Good morning, students. Today we will continue our history and we'll start the new chapter, rulers and the building. Rulers and the buildings means like if you have done any traveling from I can say your state to Delhi, or you have wandered in some region of India, so you will see that different kind of monuments which have been constructed by the rulers in you can say from the beginning of till the time like the centuries years ago, like Buddha stupas and the pillars and monuments and mosque in Mughal period. So you will see, and you see when you can say observe them, you find like what a minute kind of you can say designing is there, and what a beautiful you can say uh, carving is there. And when you see closely them, so you find a different kind of architecture. So like this is the picture of Qutub Minar, and you can see how fine it was constructed, and what is the history behind them we must know. Like as we know that Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak, and it was finished by Iltutmish, and means like the 5 stories high, the band of inscriptions you see the under first balcony, and the first floor was constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak and the rest by Iltutmish around 1229. Over the year, it was damaged by the lightning and earthquake, and repaired by Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq and Ibrahim Lodi. तो इतने लोग इसको कंस्ट्रक्शन कराने में लगे थे. So figure 1 shows that first balcony of Qutub Minar, and Qutbuddin Aibak had this constructed around 1199, and notice that the pattern created under the balcony by the some arcs and geometrical design. Geometrical आप देखते हैं कि ये geometrical आपका जैसे आपका ये वाला पोर्शन हो गया, ठीक है. तो ये जितने भी हैं आपके ये सब दिए हुए हैं, अब ये सब ज्योमेट्रिकल ही दिखाई देंगे. तो सब ज्योमेट्रिकल पोर्शन and design. And can you see the two bands of inscription under the balcony? These were the Arabic. Notice the surface of these minar Arabics. You see here this particular, this is writing, it has been written in Arabic. So in Arabic, the minar, all these are the minars. Then carved, it is carved in angular, you understand because you study maths. And placing an inscription on such a surface required great precision. Then only the most skilled craft person could perform this task. And remember that very few buildings were made of stone or bricks 800 years ago. उससे पहले ईंटों का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता था. What would have been the impact of these buildings like Qutub Minar on observer that 13th century? तो उसका बहुत ही बड़ा impact था कि इन चीज़ों से मिलकर ये बनी है. Between the 8th and 18th centuries, kings and their officer built two kinds of structure. जो पहले जो बिल्डिंग्स बनती थी वो दो ही तरीके से बनती थी. कैसे? फर्स्ट वर द फोर्ट्स, पैलेसेस, गार्डन्स, रेजिडेंस एंड टॉम्ब्स. ये आपको सब समझ आ रहा होगा. महल बनते थे, बगीचे बनते थे, रहने वाले पैलेसेस होम बनते थे, या टॉम्ब्स बनती थी. जैसे कि ताजमहल भी टॉम्ब भी है. Safe, protected and grandiose places of the rest and this word in the next and the second were structure of mean by public activity, including the temples, the mosque, tanks, wells and caravansaries, and then bazaars, and kings were expected to take care of their subject. एंड बाय द मेकिंग, जैसे आज भी हम कहते हैं ना कुछ पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, कुछ प्राइवेट फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, लाइक ऑल. सो किंग्स वर एक्सपेक्टेड टू टेक केयर ऑफ देयर सब्जेक्ट and the making structure of their use of comfort. Rulers hoped to win their praise. कुछ तो इसलिए बनाते थे कि उन्हें अपनी प्रजा का ध्यान रखना है, अपने सब्जेक्ट का ध्यान रखना है, कुछ अपनी प्रेज गेन करने के लिए भी बनाते थे. So construction activity was also carried out by other, including merchants. They built temples, mosques and well. However, domestic architectures large mention हवेलीज. ठीक है, मेंशन तो घर से ही मतलब हुआ, लेकिन लार्ज मेंशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो हवेली की बात करेंगे. हवेली जिसमें बहुत सारे अपार्टमेंट्स हो सकते हैं. ऑफ मर्चेंट्स हैव सर्वाइव्ड ओनली द 18th सेंचुरी. इस तरीके की कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है आपको 8 से 18th सेंचुरी तक की मिलेगी. सो आज सिर्फ इतना ही पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, बिकॉज देर इज़ अ डीप डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट ऑल द buildings made by the rulers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.